Ready to level up your Nintendo Switch experience by connecting with friends online. The first thing you want to do is power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the home screen. You can do this by pressing the home button on your right Joy-Con. It looks like a little house. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see your user profile icon. It's a small circle with your me or chosen avatar inside. Use the control stick to highlight your profile icon and press the button to select it. Great! This opens your user settings page on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu. Use the control stick to scroll down and highlight the profile option, then press the button to select profile. Almost there. On the right side of the screen, under your profile information, you'll see an option labeled friend code. Highlight this and select it by pressing the button. And there it is. Your 12-digit Nintendo Switch friend code is displayed right on the screen. It starts with SW, followed by a series of numbers. This is the code you'll share with your friends so they can send you friend requests. To copy your friend code, you can either use a pen and paper to write it down, or you can select the copy button and paste it into a message to share with your friends. Now you can easily share your friend code, connect with friends, and start playing your favorite Nintendo Switch games together online. Happy gaming!